pass. My lord, may I request a short
Sir, we are
password for
taking
them?
Madhya Pradesh also today.
Yes, my
Yes,
lord.
yes.
Kindly take Madhya Pradesh.
My friend said that Delhi may be taken after Madhya Pradesh, so I'm
We'll take it up Madhya Pradesh and then Delhi.
first Madhya Pradesh.
Yes.
Lordship, may see Madhya
What is
Pradesh.
in Madhya Pradesh?
We have quoted the order of 21st April. Lords. Kindly see the second para. Mr. So-and-so counsel appearing for the petitioners in such contempt petition submits that all of them are possessing qualifications required by the RCI and that since their terms are due to end on 30th April, suitable orders may be passed by extending such terms. We are informed, Mr. Sharma, that screening committee has been constituted for the purpose of examining the credentials of the contractual special teachers and that the petitioners may be directed to present themselves before the screening committee for verification of the respective qualifications. Having heard Mr. So-and-so, we direct that till 31st July 2026 or until further orders, whichever is earlier, the service of 85 petitioners as well as other contractual special teachers who are in position as on date shall not be disturbed. Their terms may be suitably extended to comply with this order. In the meanwhile, however, the petitioners may appear before the screening committee on a date to be notified and communicated to Mr. Jain. The screening committee will proceed to verify the qualifications of special teachers and submit a report before this court in a sealed. The process, which has been undertaken pursuant to the advertisement dated 6 July 2023 to fill up the other vacant post, leaving aside 232 posts for the contractual special teachers in terms of order of 7th March shall continue. Now, Lordship, in pursuant to that, if Lordship may see the last order also, 4th of August, Mr. So-and-so counsel appearing for state of MP submits that in compliance with the order of 21st April, a report in a sealed cover has been filed. The said report, however, is not on record. Registry directed to place on record the report. We will take claims. So,
That has come today.
Yes.
See another report.
Now, Lordship, before your Lordship see the report, I have a suggestion to make regarding state of MP. Their last affidavit is of 17th August 2026. They have rightly said, my lord, I would say that these 366 mobile source advisors who are not essentially the special teachers, they will not consider that. We agree with that, my lords. Of course, they are not qualified as a special teachers, but they have not said anything about those 232 contractual special teachers as on date. Whether they have been screened, whether they have been found qualified
We'll
for.
find it out from the
Yeah,
report.
I hope the report
Lords,
indicates that.
I'm appearing for those 335 MRCs and ACCs. We have a reply by a Director of Education saying that we are also undertaking the duty of imparting education also. Many of us have been working for around 20 years now, my lord. There were no special teachers. So these MRCs and ACCs had to, impart education also. And now the Madhya Pradesh affidavit given by the state clearly says that we are not going to engage them, we are not going to extend the benefit to us.
Being RCI.
We have the certification by RCI, my lord. I have annexed, we have filed an intervention application. I have
Who
annexed
appointed you?
the state of Madhya Pradesh, my lord. So there was,
In your application, have you annexed the appointment?
yes, my
letter?
lord. Yes, for one of the petitioners, because we are a Sansthan and there are 335 members. So we, instead of annexing all 335, we have annexed one RCI certification and the appointment letter also.
We are not teaching.
So if my lord may take the IA number,
Wait, your IL will come later.
Lord, may I say something?
They are not teaching. You know that line.
ये रिपोर्ट तो हिंदी में है.
Yes, Lord. My lords, may I say something about the report? I have perused the report, my lords. May I
Yes.
just- My lords, so far as your lordship's order is concerned of 7th of March 2025, the screening committee was constituted for people who were approximately 20 years in service. Now a contempt application was filed. Thereafter, 85 applicants, my lords, approached the screening committee. Their representations were considered, and it was found the maximum amongst them, the maximum tenure was 3 years, my lords, and some of them were as less as 1 year, my lords.
Let my friend clarify what has happened to those 232 contractual teachers. This will solve most of the problem.
My lords, the 85 is out of the 232 only, my lords.
I am not on 85. I'm saying that those 232, your
My
lordship,
lords,
deserve.
they did not appear before the screening committee, my lord. That's my respectful submission.
So why is it that the report is in vernacular?
My lord, in Madhya Pradesh, my lord, the report generally,
But the language of
the official
report
language is
English.
Hindi, my lord.
Screening committee.
Sorry.
The court's language is in English.
I am sorry, my lord, for that.
Where is that?
It should have been filed. A translated copy, my lord, should have been filed.
Just think of a situation. I had a brother from South India.
I have instruction
I
to say
appreciate
that
that.
no screening committee has been formed. So where is that 232 coming? Well, they have not formed a screening committee. The
No,
affidavit
no,
says
my
so.
lords, we have formed a screening committee. That report is before your lordships, my lords.
Which affidavit?
Para 6 of the affidavit is silent.
My affidavit also says so, my lord. The
To
most
get a translated version of this report.
yes, my lord. We will do
Place
that.
it before us.
Yes, my lord.
19 August affidavit.
Para 6.
Lord, I'd also like to point out one thing. In the 2021 judgment, the judgment specified rehabilitation professionals / special teachers. So the benefit had to be extended to both of them. Now they have confined it only to special teachers, not to rehabilitation professionals. Some of the teachers have been working since 2006.
इनका आइए दीजिए ना एक बार.
IA number is 230290 of 2026.
What does the state say about them? They are teaching.
Where is the appointment letter?
My lords, please come to page number 170 and extra A18.
That this same
So
person.
this is
Saying the screening करा नहीं करा.
the appointment letter, my lord, with respect to around 6 of the professionals here.
Consideration photo screening committee.
And if my lords may also come to
How
page,
were they taken? Was there any process?
yeah, there was proper process, my lord. Online examination was also conducted in 2006, and then thereafter 12 and 14.
Online in 2006.
Lords, there was proper process, not in 6, but 12 and 14. There was a online examination that took place.
Yeah.
No,
And these 335
this decision is taken pursuant to a meeting held on 8 June 2006. Where do you get online system then?
Screening committee meeting तो हुई है, इनको बुलाया नहीं है.
The post is entirely temporary.
दिखाना स्टेज निकालना है क्या? जल्दी. इसी affidavit में.
Where does it say that it is for children for special needs?
Yeah.
My lords, on page, please come to page number 174.
174.
Yes, no.
This order also starts from 174 and then page
So there is
175.
nothing in 170.
That is the
This is-
appointment letter.
This for children with special needs, where do we find it?
This is in continuation on page 175, my lords. It's the same order for the same people.
ये MC का कौन है? ये लोग कौन है? ये तो ड्राइंग करने चाहिए.
On 170 itself, my
May I
lords.
just
it's also there.
clarify? The state has filed an affidavit of 17th August. In para 29 subclause B, may I just read out just to save time. The job chart of mobile source advisor framed by Rajesh Shiksha Kendra does not contemplate the imparting of instruction in school. Their role as verified in various districts is to visit schools and to render their requisite support to the children with disabilities and to the teachers who teach them and to resolve their difficulties. So, as per state's affidavit, they are not those special teachers falling in the same category, my lords. That's the state's affidavit. I don't know about because state.
Look, MRC stand on a different footing from certain guest teachers which were engaged by the state under the Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan, my lords.
No, let's not mix this 232 with these other teachers. There's a separate issue
Lords,
otherwise.
I've also annexed the minutes of meeting by the Director, State Education Center on page 132. If my lords may please come to page 132 once.
May I just submit? Let a notice be issued in the IA. Let state respond specifically to the IA whether what's their status. Are they RCA? Are they teachers or not exactly? Because the affidavit says something contrary to my friend's argument. But in the meantime, my lord, those 232 who have been reserved as contractual, they let them be called for screening by screening
Where is
committee.
the Hindi version of 170?
170 in the version is 173, my lord.
173.
Yes. And it says that
Other एक बार पढ़ो.
Lord, third line के आधार पर निम्नांकित योग्याधारिक आवेदकों को आईईडी के मोबाइल स्रोत सलाहकार विकलांग शिक्षा के पद पर
Because they were not imparting any education to the students, my lords.
My
My
lords,
lords, may kindly have my affidavit of 17th of August, para 29, my lords. Because the committee also examined the job chart.
Inclusive education. Inclusive.
That's what I read.
consulted, my lord.
मुझे मैटर नहीं आता ये मुझे मैटर नहीं आता ये इन्होंने इनके लिए रिजर्व क्यों मिल गया
It's not disputed.
and they are not disputed in the affidavit also around 232
Screening committee.
you are 85
85.
out of 232
230. Our only request is that we will call for
no
screening.
but
We are
it should be for all 232
Yes, correct. All. We have valid,
तुम्हें screen नहीं किया
CI
ना
qualification.
they have not screened you
No, not screen. For 85, they
let them call within 2 weeks
we have valid RCI qualification, everything.
About 7-8 lines.
उसके पश्चात पद समाप्त हो जाएगा अपने आप से खत्म हो
But
जाएगा
they have been continuing since then, my lord.
They're continuing
They are continuing since 2006 itself.
till date.
Till date, my lord.
Where is the post? There has to be a creation of a post
Post,
that they can be appointed on temporary basis.
there are two posts, my lord. One is,
No, have the post been created?
it was created back then itself. It's there in the order, my lord, page number 170.
170.
Yes. it's
170
the
and
English,
173 are the same.
same English translation.
So
this
then
is
173 is the authentic document.
correct, my lord.
Your translation is not appropriate. So from 173, where do we get it that there were
Third line itself, my lord, it says on the post of mobile resource consultant,
When was this post created?
2006.
Where is that
who
letter?
creates it?
Where is that letter?
Who creates
Lord,
it?
We have no.
Any post which has financial implications,
Correct.
there has to be a cabinet decision.
So I'm sure they should have. There was
You may not be in a position to say that.
right now. Yes.
You should notice that state respond. Mr. Aizada, you respond to this.
Yes, my lord. Very well, my lord. My lord,
And
we just have my affidavit for a moment.
Sure,
my lord.
other
one thing.
respect
IA issue notice.
In this, if you could
State of
kindly.
Madhya Pradesh is required to deal with the application and file its counter affidavit within 2 weeks.
Lords, one thing will also have to be
Adjournment
replied.
will be released after 4 weeks, this IA. Insofar as the report, which was called for by the order dated 4th 21st April 2026 is concerned, it appears that the report is in Hindi. Mr. Aizada is required to provide English translation of such report. The claims relating to Madhya Pradesh shall be taken up next week.
Copy be given to me also.
This copy shall be given to Mr. Amicus.
And Lordship, my friend can also file a detailed affidavit or at least concise affidavit regarding these 232 posts. Have they called them for screening committee?
Read the report first.
I
The
see.
report could throw some light.
The affidavit doesn't say about it.
We are keeping it next Tuesday.
Next Tuesday.
So if there is something lacking, we will call for a report. Then it will be considered along with this IA 4 weeks.
Delete it.
Great for me, Lord. Thank you.
Yes, now then.
Lordship may come back to